Today we're gonna find out if the market for the 986 Porsche Boxster is about to collapse. Or is that just one of those YouTube things to get you, Or is that all just one of those YouTube things to get you interested enough to click on this video? I guess you're just gonna have to watch this entire video to find out for sure. The last video I made about the Porsche 986 market showed that the market was simply skyrocketing. But we wanna find out if this is still the case and if there are any signs of it slowing. Over the past year, prices of the base 986 Boxster are up 13.6%. So the base model of one of the best handling Porsches that you can buy certainly has a really good return on investment. For the more performance-oriented Boxster S, prices are up 22.4% over the same year. Because of this, over the past year, a 986 Boxster S has been a better investment than buying stock in Tesla. However, as we look at the data and see how prices have gone up, since April of this year, prices have remained flat. So the question is, does this mean the market has stabilized, or will it heat up again, or will it cool down soon? Of course, you can always call the Boxster both cool and hot. Some of the reasons that the prices may cool is economic fears. If you've watched any of my recent market updates, you know that inflation has been sky high. On top of this, the Fed has continued to raise interest rates in an effort to try to reduce inflation. All this has led to fears of a recession, that the economy just is not doing well, causing some people to not want to get into the market for an extra sports car. And overall, people's wages have raised, but nowhere near as high as inflation. Of course, I'm sure the economy has a much better chance of avoiding recession if you subscribe to this channel. Results may vary. Even as prices have risen for a 986 Boxster, it really was an undervalued car previously. Because of this, it still is good value for the money. Try to think how many good mid-engine sports cars can be had with a desirable marquee like Porsche for under $20,000. In fact, the 986 Boxster is still such a good value that it could probably double in price and still be considered a performance bargain. Prices of the 986 generation of the Porsche Boxster have remained largely flat over the past year, and I think that trend continues. Of course, over time, I think prices will continue to grow, and if you buy one now, I don't think you're going to lose money as long as you hang on to it for a while. This is especially true as we see other cars such as the 996 Porsche 911 become less attainable. And with some places having plans to ban the sale of new gas-powered vehicles, I'm looking at you, California, there will be plenty of people that just want to buy a vintage driving Porsche Boxster, and thanks to Porsche working on a synthetic fuel, will likely be able to keep driving these cars for a very long time. The thing is, beyond value for money, there are pros and cons to owning a Porsche Boxster. So check out this video to see if the Porsche Boxster is the right car for you.